Hi friends, Stephanie Barnard at the Stamps of Life, and I'm really excited to share this stamp set, this club set, stamp and die set with you because let me just tell you, it is an amazing collection. I'm not even going to call it a set because it's a collection. Now, my Stamp and Die Hard Club members are going to get a stamp set and or a stamp and die set sent to them automatically. But let me tell you right off the bat, there are extras, add-ons, whatever you want to call them, that you kind of have to have because it turns the stamp and die set into a huge collection that you are going to use way more than you ever expected. Let me just tell you, I'm so excited about this. Okay, so let me just explain. The stamp set for the month is called Typewriter to Stamp. So my Stamp Club members are getting this sent to them automatically. And look how cute it is. It has just a note to say, ... I miss you, or congrats, or happy birthday, or you're my favorite type of friend. Also has the word hello. Now the hello is separate from the stamp, from the typewriter, so don't worry, that's separate. So you can stamp in there just a note to say, and then on the inside you can stamp your message. Isn't that awesome? Now, Die Hard Club members, you are getting, yes, the dies that match, the typewriter to match, and a big word hi, but you are also, don't tell Ken I went over my budget, you are also going to get an alphabet die set that's the type font. I know, it's awesome. Now, there's not shadows, because if there were shadows, it'd be way too big and I could never do it. But I was able to get in there the dies for the lowercase, and let me tell you, you're going to have so much fun with that. For example, and my Die Hard Club members are also getting special fun little freebie. Just saying. Now, let me share my samples with you because they're absolutely awesome and you're going to fall in love with them. So here is that font that you're going to see right there. Look how cute that is. Matthew and Danya. Look at how gorgeous that font is. Now, of course, you're going to want to use your adhesive sheets on the back of these, right? So grab some adhesive sheets if you need them. You should already have them. But you're going to make stickers out of these letters. Isn't that so cute? Now, you are going to see a little bit of a sneak peek on here, save the date and the month, but I had to show you this sample. Now, here's a cute one. Just a note to say, this is on our basic step-up card. Hello, 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 hello. Isn't that cute? I love that. Now, you're going to look at that typewriter right now and say, wow, how did that designer color that so awesome? Stay tuned for the next video. That's another sneak peek. Lots of sneak peeks in these. I love it. Here's a cute one. Too cute for words. Look at that die letter set. You are going to, Die Hard members, boom, you are going to love that set. I'm telling you, and this is like a little shaker. Isn't that cute? I love it. You're my type of friend. Isn't that cute? Here's a cute one. Hello, just a note to say, Happy Valentine's Day. So all of the titles that you have, all of the stamp sets that you have that say Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, Happy Valentine's Day, Happy Mother's Day, Happy Father's Day, Happy everything, anything. Look, just a note to say, and then you put it on the inside, right? Because we're always looking for more stamps to put on the inside. Boom, now any of your titles can be on the inside because you're saying just a note to say. Isn't that awesome? Here's a cute one. I love you. Look at this. Okay, there's a couple sneak peeks on here. This is a sneak peek. These letters are a sneak peek. I'm telling you guys, I can't wait for you to see the next video. Here's a cute one. Again, oh, look how easily that was colored. Save the date, July 2nd. Summer party. Woo, fun. Here's a cute one. Happy birthday. And look how cute those little flowers are on there. The best day ever. Look at that. Oh, here's a cute one. Click, tap, click, 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 tap. Oh, look at that cute background paper. Hello. Look at this. Look at that. You're my type of friend. Here's another cute. Oh, doily alert, doily alert. The next two have doilies on them. I love to point those out because sometimes you don't see them, but they add so much. Just a note to say, I miss you. And here's another cute one. Another doily, hugs and kisses. This is using just the dies of the typewriter, which is really fun. Happy anniversary. Now, club members, yours are already on their way to you. Ken gets up extra early on the 1st. Even though the 1st is a holiday this month, He's going to get it in the mail, so the second that post office opens, they get them on their way to you. Now, if you're not in the club, you need to join. Imagine getting a brand new stamp set and or a stamp and die set sent to you automatically each month. Then you're going to get a 15 to 20% discount off of everything on our website. So go to our website, thestampsoflife.com, click the video, join the club. Just watch the video, check it out, see what I'm talking about, and you're going to probably fall in love. Now, club members, you know you're getting a club discount on the next video, so stay tuned for that because let me tell you, to round out this collection, there's going to be a lot you're going to want to see. Now, if I went too fast on any of these, because I know I sometimes go fast, never fear, it's all on our online gallery. You can go to our website, thestampsoflife.com, click on this product, and then click on the View Gallery. And all of these ideas are going to pop up and even more. Thanks so much. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.